Hi everyone, we're talking about the curved treadmill today, the freestyle treadmill. It's got a couple of different names. It's a non-motorized treadmill, really good for you. Lots of members have reported that they have reduced shin splints when using this device as opposed to the treadmill. And there are some statistics out there to say that it may burn more calories than the treadmill. So we've got two of these bad boys in our club, so we want to show you how to use it. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to try and keep your posture nice and upright. Two things that tends to happen when you're using this machine is leaning forward, which is going to make the belt move back faster and make you go faster. So that's not what we want. We want to keep you nice and upright, and also we want to stop you from overstriding. So oftentimes on the treadmill, you'll overstride and it has no ill effects because the treadmill is propelling you. But on this device, it will make you go faster. So we want to keep in the middle of the belt. So when you're starting on here, you're going to start with your feet out to the side and then step into the middle of the belt. To get started, think high knees, okay? Don't forget about your arms. Your arms are important. This is a walk pace, okay? You can use this to warm up, keeping yourself nice and upright, arms free flowing. When you would like to go for a bit of a run or a bit of a jog, think moving your arms faster and think higher knees and faster knees. Good. So we're slowly picking up to a jog now. Excellent. And when you're ready to take that leap into the run, think faster but upright. Okay? Faster but upright. Beautiful. When it comes time to slow down your knees, slow down your arms, come back to the middle of the belt. If you're not quite up to not being able to not hold on to the pads or the bars, please feel free to hold on to the bars, but hold on right at the end, okay, so that you stay in the center. If you hold on up here, you're going to be moving in that direction, and it's going to make it go faster, and it's not going to feel as comfortable for you. Again, it's a wonderful piece of machinery. We encourage everybody to have a go on it. If you have any questions about how to use the computer screen, please chat to your trainer. And again, if you have any questions about how to correct technique, again, talk to your trainer. Thanks guys, stay safe.